How to blur face in PicsArt. Blurring a face in PicsArt is simple and here is how you can do it. First of all, open the PicsArt app on your device. Once inside the PicsArt app, simply tap on the plus button to select a new photo, or I'm simply tapping on the photo that is available on my PicsArt gallery. Now there you can see effects FX from the bottom menu. All you have to do is tap on the effects option available there. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is again scroll and see the blur effects option available there and select blur. Now tap the eraser tool at the top and erase the blur everywhere except the face. Now by using the eraser, erase all the blur effects except on the face and tap on the check mark and save your image. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.